उपसभापती विष्णू वाघ यांना हृदयविकाराचा तीव्र झटका आल्यानंतर जीएमसीत दाखल करण्यात आलं होतं. मात्र ते उपचारांना प्रतिसाद न दिल्याने त्यांना मुंबई येथील हिंदुजा इस्पितळात दाखल करण्यात आले. त्यांच्या प्रकृतीबाबत अद्याप कोणतीच अधिकृत माहिती नसल्याचं जीएमसीचे डीन डॉक्टर प्रदीप नाईक यांनी सांगितलं. दरम्यान जीएमसीतील सुधारणा व अन्य अद्ययावत तंत्रप्रणाली लवकरच आणू त्यासाठी प्रस्ताव पाठवणार असल्याचं डॉक्टर नाईक यांनी सांगितलं. जीएमसी मल्टी स्पेशालिटी ब्लॉक होणार असून त्यावेळी तज्ञ निवासी डॉक्टर व सर्व गोष्टींनी सुसज्ज असे इस्पितळ तयार होईल असं त्यांनी सांगितलं.
If you want official statement, please meet medical superintendent, who is our official spokesperson. She will tell you exactly all the details. Yesterday, even late evening, he has been shifted to Mumbai. No, I have not got any report after he reached Mumbai. Our one anesthetist has accompanied him. He is yet to come back and report to me. He was expected to come today morning by flight back. After he reaches, he will submit the report to me. Recently, I have got 3 new ambulances under MP-led scheme. These ambulances which have come to me, they are not equipped inside. So we are now in the process of equipping them, because we are going to put equipment in that ambulance as per the directives of the PMO's office. What an ambulance should have inside. Those directives are there. Based on those directives, we are trying to equip this. Already the process I have started of getting them equipped. It will be done immediately because we want to prepare them for our coming BRICS summit. So before that I am getting them equipped. GMC was not lacking. See, we had all the consultants, all the specialists required for handling this case. Basically this case was handled by cardiologist, nephrologist and neurologist. And all 3 specialty, super specialty doctors we have in our institution. So they were being handled and he was monitored, controlled, stabilized very well. Especially you see, during a particular spell when he had that cardiac arrest, possibly there was lack of circulation to the brain, for which they were suspecting some hypoxic damage to the brain. This was the reason why we thought we would also like to have expert opinion from neurologists and intensivists, because in our ICU is managed by anesthetist doctors. We don't have qualified intensivists. So we wanted to shift him to a ICU where qualified intensivists are there, because basically at present he required ICU care. We have to create these posts. Posts are not created as intensivist posts. We have to create these posts. Presently no proposal has gone. See, we are going to send a proposal for creation of various posts for our super specialty block which is coming up. During that time we will include all these posts. All faculty posts, staff nurses posts, other support staff, all posts. So my administrative office is already working on it. We have a recruitment cell. The recruitment cell is in the process of preparing a proposal for creation of posts for super specialty block. Super specialty wise we will be creating. Whatever super specialties we are planning to put in that new super specialty block, each super specialty wise we will create positions for faculty, positions for resident doctors, positions for technical staff, positions for support staff in terms of nurses, attendants. All that proposal is in the process.
पणजीहून GO TV साठी रवींद्र दळवी.